The final whistle blows. You are still sitting there, hands cold, chest tight. Someone says it's just a game. But researchers at the University of Michigan placed fans in brain scanners while their teams lost. And what they found changes everything. The same neural circuits that fire when you break a bone, the identical ones. Your brain does not know you are sitting on a couch. It knows your team is losing. And to your neurons, those are the same emergency. You are not dramatic. You are not overreacting. And you are definitely not weak. I'm Tim. I dig into the peer-reviewed research most psychology channels ignore. And what your brain does during a match loss is genuinely disturbing. Stay with me. When your striker misses the net, your motor cortex fires as if your leg swung. When the goalkeeper dives the wrong way, your brain experiences that failure as if your hands chose wrong. You did not watch that miss. Neurologically, you made it. These are mirror neurons, cells in your brain that dissolve the boundary between watching and doing. The Michigan scanner study proved it. Not similar circuits, the identical ones. Now here is where it gets darker. Your body responds accordingly. Researchers Bernhardt and colleagues published a landmark study tracking testosterone levels in fans before and after major sports events. Winning fans showed measurable testosterone increases. Losing fans showed a significant drop. Not metaphorical disappointment. Actual hormonal collapse. Your endocrine system cannot tell the difference between losing the World Cup and losing your job. Now here is the part nobody tells you. Penalty shootouts are uniquely brutal. Not because of the loss itself, but because uncertainty is the specific trigger that spikes cortisol hardest. Brain imaging research shows that anticipating a painful outcome activates more stress response than the painful outcome itself. Those 5 minutes before your striker walks to the spot, your body is already flooding with the stress hormones of catastrophe. Before a single kick lands, here is where it gets stranger. Social identity theory, developed by Henry Toshful, explains that fans do not support a team. They become the team. The club is not something you follow. It is something you partially are. When researchers asked fans to describe their team's last loss, the language was indistinguishable from personal trauma. We were humiliated. We could not do anything. We let everyone down. Those pronouns are not dramatic license. They are neurological accuracy. And for the person next to you, the partner, the friend, the colleague scrolling, watching someone spiral over a football result genuinely does not compute. Their brain has no merge between themselves and 11 strangers in jerseys. They are not cold. They are not missing something. They simply never wired the identity bridge. You did. And once that bridge exists, the defeat crosses it automatically. There is no switch. You are not broken. The pain of sports loss is not a malfunction. It is your tribal architecture operating exactly as designed. Humans evolved in small groups where collective failure meant collective death. Your brain learned to treat group outcome as personal survival. The World Cup just activated a 70,000-year-old alarm. That is not weakness. That is 70,000 years of survival wiring doing exactly what it was built to do. Recovery follows the same neuroscience. Cortisol normalizes within 24 to 48 hours. Testosterone rebounds when the next match cycle begins. That hollow feeling the morning after, it is not permanent. Your brain is already recalibrating. And here is the part that matters most. The narrative frame changes everything. Fans who reframe defeat as we fought hard rather than we failed show faster hormonal recovery. Your brain is not just reacting, it is listening to how you narrate. Stay with me. Your brain is listening to how you narrate. So the next time someone tells you to calm down, it is just a game, you can tell them calmly, my anterior cingulate cortex cannot confirm that. And if your brain just recognized itself in this, the psychology behind the next emotional pattern is waiting for you here.